Okay, we are looking at the Hyundai H1 travel air filter replacement. For this you have to remove the electrical connection as shown, and then you remove the Jubilee clip with a crosshead screwdriver, loosening it completely so that you can take the Jubilee clip down and remove the hose from the air filter box. Jiggle around a bit, it will come loose. There are 4 clips on this. We started off looking at thinking there were 2 clips, but there's actually 4. 2 at the front and 2 at the back. They're all located near the corners of the boxes. As you can see, without this, it becomes quite difficult to remove it. Once the box is lifted out, you can remove the air filter. Just pulls out from the top. Place it out of the way. Whilst you're there, have a good look inside. Make sure there's no dust and debris in the hole. This is just a grated hole, so there shouldn't be anything. Take your new filter out of its casing and the plastic package it came in, and drop into place where the old filter came from. Push down so it's nice and secure. You can then replace everything in the opposite direction of removal. Make sure it fits snugly on the air filter box. Attach your 4 clips. Push your air hose back onto the locator. Tighten the Jubilee clip. Make sure it's solid. And reconnect the electrical connection. And finished.